Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. I recently won a nail art contest on TikTok, and here are the prizes I received. We have ORLY's 2021 collection, which is called Momentary Wonders. Then we have an ORLY buffer. Third we have is an ORLY pusher and remover. Thank you so much, ORLY PH and Pure Beauty PH. Momentary Wonders collection has 6 shades. So now let's start swatching. First we have is Flight of Fancy. Now for the second coat. There's magic in the air, and this stunning violet shimmer captures that essence. Second we have is Awestruck. Now for the second coat. Feeling awestruck by this fuchsia shimmer? Us too! With just enough shine, this is the perfect shade for a party or to add some pizzas to your everyday. Third we have is Dancing Embers. Now for the second coat. Feel the warmth from this golden red shimmer that is as festive as it is classic. Fourth we have this Touch of Magic. Now for the second coat. Looking to add a hint of magical shine? Try this sheer bronze iridescent shimmer on its own. Fifth we have is Whispered Lore. Now for the second coat. Go for the gold with this golden olive shimmer. And lastly, we have this ephemeral. Now for the second coat. That fleeting feeling of magic when the first snow falls is captured in this sheer gold iridescent shimmer. And from ORLYBeauty.com, Holiday 2021 Momentary Wonders is described as, with a new year of humble beginnings waiting just around the corner, we've dreamed up a collection of shimmering shades inspired by winter's undeniable magic. Sublime golden shimmers echo the distant hum of a dream you've woken up from but can't seem to let go just yet, while mystical berry and fuchsia shimmers mirror the quiet powers that arise when new ideas ignite a crackling fire in your soul. In this time of quiet reflection and infinite possibilities, we hope this collection inspires you to savor the ephemeral bliss of the holiday season and ponder its momentary wonders. And that's my swatches for this collection. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on my official social media pages. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!